captures Hanuman. There was utter chaos in Ashok Vatika. Meghnad was furious when he saw a monkey defeating his mighty demon army. He yelled at Hanuman, "Oh monkey, you have damaged my kingdom and insulted my father. Surrender, or else I will kill you and send you to hell." A fierce battle ensued between Meghnad and Hanuman. Hanuman punched Meghnad hard with his fist. He rolled down, gushed out blood. Meghnad's weapon had no effect on Hanuman. At last, he decided to use the divine weapon given by Brahma to capture Hanuman. Accompanied by the chanting of the mantra, Meghnad shot forth the Brahmastra. Hanuman was immune to this weapon as well. But he allowed himself to be captured due to his respect to Brahma. Moreover, he wanted to meet Ravan in person and assess his strength. Hanuman fell down after getting trapped in the Brahmastra. Meghnad instantly tied Hanuman up with a snake rope. Hanuman in Ravan's court. With the aid of Brahmastra, Meghnad captured Hanuman. He was then dragged to Ravan's court. Ravan mocked at the weird appearance of Hanuman and asked him, "Oh monkey, who are you? Why have you destroyed my garden? No one is allowed to even breathe here without my permission." Hanuman answered, "O conceited king, you live in an illusion. No one can harm me as long as I am under the shield of Lord Ram. I am Hanuman, a messenger of Lord Ram. Release Mother Sita if you want to stay alive." Ravan's eyes became red with anger, and he ordered Hanuman to be killed. Vibhishan immediately intervened, saying, "Brother, you are forgetting how to behave with an ambassador. Our custom demands that we honor a messenger. Please set Hanuman free with a warning. If he repeats this act again, then you may inflict a severe punishment on him." Hanuman's tail on fire. Vibhishan too seconded Hanuman's request that Ravan should restore Sita to Ram and seek his forgiveness. This incited Ravan. He called Vibhishan a betrayer and kicked him hard. This public humiliation was also one reason why Vibhishan later joined Ram's side in the battle against Ravan. But on Vibhishan's advice, Ravan decided not to kill Hanuman. But he was determined to teach him a lesson for damaging his garden. A monkey loves its tail the most. Tie a piece of cloth soaked in oil around Hanuman's tail and set it on fire. When he loses his tail, he will go back to his master and get him here to take revenge, said Ravan. Then we will see how powerful his master is. Hanuman burst out laughing. He was taken through the streets of Lanka with his tail wrapped up in a piece of oil-soaked cloth. Then, the tip tip of his tail was set on fire. Hanuman burns Lanka. Hanuman was paraded through the streets of Lanka, and his tail was set on fire. All the while, Hanuman was making up his mind to teach the arrogant Ravan and his subjects a lesson. So, Hanuman reduced his size and shook off the ropes that bound him. In one leap, he reached atop a garden villa while chanting the name of Lord Ram in a loud voice. The demons trembled in fear. Hanuman then jumped from one roof to the other and set the city of Lanka on fire with the torch of his burning tail. The demons ran away with their families. Queen Mandodari, Ravan's wife, pleaded with Hanuman, but he was relentless. Sita realized that Ashok Vatika had become unbearably hot. She prayed to Agni, the god of fire, to protect Hanuman. Very soon, except Vibhishan's house and Ashok Vatika, the entire Lanka was reduced to a pile of ashes.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.